Hi there. Check out this battery-operated wall sconce set featuring two USB rechargeable LED lights with remote control. These cordless wall lamps offer 360-degree rotation, perfect for reading in your living room or bedroom. Installation is simple with no wiring or electrician needed, making them ideal for any room in your home. Each sconce has a detachable 8000 mAh magnetic battery that charges in under 5 hours and lasts over 15 hours at full brightness. Use the remote to dim the lights from 10% to 100% and switch between warm and cool color temperatures. The night light mode lets you read without disturbing others, adding convenience and comfort. With a sleek modern design, these versatile wall sconces create a cozy atmosphere anywhere you need soft, adjustable lighting. Thank you for watching, and if you are interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel to never miss out on future useful product reviews.